everybody, Thomas Flynn here, training specialist with Coldwell+Banker Hearthside. Today I'd like to show you how to set up your profile in IQ Office. Once logged into IQ Office, in the top right corner, click on your name. Once you've clicked on your name, you're going to select Profile. Once you've selected Profile, the Details tab will load. Ensure that all of the information available is filled in with the most accurate information. For example, update any phone numbers that might need to be updated. Any titles or certifications belong under the Certifications field, such as Training Specialist and Realtor. Please be sure not to change the web address or the export GUID. To update your password under the Login Information section, go ahead and update your password. Type it in twice and scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Hearthside never wants your accounting information, so be sure not to give that to us. Then, if you have a video profile, go ahead and copy and paste the YouTube link into the field shown. Just beneath that, you'll have your profile text box. Be sure to enter any profile text you might want to have shown on your website about yourself. Just beneath that, be sure to enter your email signature if you're going to use your CRM for email marketing. Once you've updated all of the fields, go ahead and select Save. It'll process. A bar at the top of the screen will show that says Process Completed, and you're done with that screen. Next, when you've gotten an updated headshot, you'll want to update it under your Images section. In the top right corner, select Upload. A simple browse and drop will appear. You'll choose File. You'll find your headshot, and you'll select Save. You'll see your new headshot, and go ahead and select your old one and select Delete at the bottom of the page. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete it, and you'll be set. Now, once you've updated your images, you're going to want to go over to social media and links. This is an important step so that your social media is linked to your website. Copy and paste each one of your individual profile links from the options listed on this screen. Select Save, and then you're done updating your profile altogether. I hope this video was helpful. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.